The truth is finally here. Hi, I'm Marty Runick from Top Gun PDR Training, and welcome to another Tips, Tricks, and Tools video. Today we're going to talk about hammers. Blending hammers, chasing hammers, jeweler's hammers. Okay, if you're a classically trained panel guy like I am, you love polished hammers. They do a wide variety of things very, very well. And guys, you see a lot of hammers out there that are now running into the several $100 range. I'm not saying anything against them. Some of them are beautiful. Some of them are works of art. But fellas, when you're starting out, especially when you're new, $9 to $20 jeweler's or chasing hammer. You can get these several places, very distinctive look. You can't confuse them with anything else. This is what you want to start out with, fellas. You start out with this, practice with it. If you get good and comfortable with it, you discover its many uses, hey, go ahead and buy yourself a diamond encrusted blending hammer, no problem. But guys, I'll tell you, I have my choice of any hammer I want to use, and this is the one I use, I'd say 80% of the time. And I'll bet you at least half of my students, this is their go-to polished hammer right here. It does just about everything you want. Every once in a while, I do need something with a longer handle. I'll grab that, but this is my go-to hammer for just about everything. Works very, very well, very efficient. Let me show you just very quickly the theory behind it. You put the bulb in between the crook of your palm of your hand there, like that. Then you take your second finger and your wrist, and you get a drumming action going on the panel, similar to this. To get accurate, you can use this end right here, and you'll have to get your hand really stationary for this. You can chase out orange peel with this thing. Very, very efficient, very clean, and best of all, very cheap. This is the one to get, guys, when you're starting out. You can always buy a super expensive one later. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of videos coming out shortly. They're well worth watching. We'll see you in the next one.